How am I able to thrive during a recession? Take on more debt, save, invest? Hi, my name is Roderick Daniels. If you're new on the channel, welcome. On this channel, we provide insight as to how you can achieve financial freedom with an emphasis in financial literacy. Today, I want to share with you how I am able to thrive during this recession in 2020. Now, it's been about 10 years since our last financial downturn, but there are ways to put yourself in the best position to build wealth during this downturn. So let's get into it. Step 1, pay down all debt. This would include credit cards, car loans, personal loans. Me personally, I've paid down all debt that does not directly impact me building wealth. Step 2, save, save, save. I cannot say this enough. Saving, you'll be able to put yourself in a position to take advantage of other things. This is important because it allows flexibility in the next step and generates a confidence and mentality when it comes to investing. Step 3, strike while the iron is hot. Right now, you should be able to find opportunities, whether in the real estate market or on the stock market, and invest. This will be accomplished with your savings in step 2 or leveraging, which you can do right now at unprecedented rates. Step 4, repeat steps 2 through 4. Following these steps have enabled me to produce cash flow and is vital, in my opinion, in progressing during an economic downturn. One of the assumptions using this strategy is that there is continuous income. This can remain true even during unemployment, which a lot of people are experiencing right now. So if unemployed, now is the time to start that side hustle you have thought about. Now is the time to create multiple streams of income. During times like these, as we have seen in history, there are those who prosper, and it is because they are prepared to do so. Thank you for visiting my channel. If you have found value in this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and a notification bell below. I'm always looking for new content to post, so share in the comments what topics you would like to have covered and how you will survive in this economic recession, or the infamous 2020 recession.